Hi friends, welcome to Geeks for Geeks. This is a video tutorial on how to print the concatenation of zigzag strings in n rows. We need to print concatenation of zigzag strings in n rows. For input string ABCDEFGH n equal to 2, output will be ACEGBDFH. First, let us write the input string in zigzag fashion in two rows this way. Now, concatenate the two rows and ignore the spaces in every row. We get ACE, BD, FH. For input string Geeks for Geeks n equal to 3, output will be GSGSEKFREKEOE. Let us write the input string in zigzag fashion in three rows. Now, concatenate the rows and ignore the spaces in every row. We get GSGS EKFREKEOE. The idea is to traverse the input string. Every character has to go to one of the rows. One by one, add all the characters to different rows. Below is the algorithm. First, create an array of n strings, array n. Second, initialize the direction as down and row as 0. The direction indicates whether we need to move up or down in rows. Third, traverse the input string and do the following for every character. Append the current character to the string of current row. If row number is n-1, then change the direction to up. If row number is 0, then change direction to down. If the direction is down, do row plus plus, else do row minus minus. Finally, one by one print all the strings of array. Now let's have a look at the implementation. If n is 1, then there is only one string, so we can directly print the string and return. Then create an array of strings for all the n rows of size n. Define row as 0 and create a bool down, which is true if we are moving down in rows, else false. Now, traverse through the string and append the current character to the current row. If the last row is reached, change the direction to up, that is set down equal to false. If the first row is reached, change the direction to down. If the direction is down, increment the value of row, else decrement it. Finally, print the concatenation of all the rows. We run a loop till n and print the string at that row. The time complexity of this solution is order n, where n is the length of the input string, as we use single order loops for string traversal. Thank you for watching. Please leave us your likes and comments.